Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So first things first, this consolidation pattern has extended. Gaps down below have closed. We have bounced off this level. Not really a level that I'd pay attention to. I think that to me is a little bit more compelling, which is 12,612, and we didn't quite get there. But the important thing to see right now, if you look on the 3 hour, is this confused state that we've been in is starting to form some structure, and that structure is of a flag. Okay, so it's really messy. There's still nothing here that is really exciting me apart from this pin bar. So this pin bar off a level, look to the left, there's my level. All the gaps are closed now, apart from this one right at the bottom, but all the micro gaps around here are closed. And for me, the market's pretty much like repeating themselves, and this chaos, I expect it to continue. Okay, so I'm still sitting on the sidelines with the DAX. I don't see any opportunities just yet. This is brewing, pretty interesting, because it gives me a conservative target of kind of that. Okay, which is 13,213. That's kind of the conservative target at the moment, but yeah, we will wait and see. So normally what happens is when you have a breakout of a flag in the opposite direction like this, and that breakout fails, okay, you typically have a pretty aggressive move up and then a break to the top side of the flag. Okay, that's more often than not, but sometimes what does happen is it comes back, tests a level, which is also possible, and there's a fairly decent level around here, which it'll bounce off and then move violently to the downside. So yeah, there's merit for move in both directions on this thing at the moment, so it's still in a confused state. So that picture that you see on the 3 hour with all these tails up and down and big up, big down, big confusion, that is still what is driving me right now. So I think a Dow offers a lot more value. There's a very clear flag break there, and a good retest will give you a nice long entry there. The DAX for me is still trying to find its feet, so I'm staying well away from the DAX, and we'll watch it because it does look like things are starting to happen. But this break of this consolidation pattern here can go either way right now. The norm, once we get above this high here, would be a long. So kind of thing that I'd be looking at is a break and retest of 12,910. So what'll happen is it'll break, bounce off this the top of the flag, come back down, hold this level and start making a higher high. That would be a decent long area because that would be in anticipation of the break of the flag, the upside. The converse is true if we reject that or this kind of area here. I mean, it's difficult to put the exact level because of the chaos, because of all the confusion. So 12,859. So for me, there's no clear levels, there's no clear structure. Well, there's structure developing, but it's not really developed, and it's not something that I want to trade. So I'm still sitting on the sidelines for the DAX. We'll wait and see. As I say, the Dow offers a much better flag break at the moment, so I'd actually just move along to the Dow and look for entries on the Dow today, because that looks like it's going to give us a fairly decent trade entry. Okay, anyway, that's it for me on the DAX. Sitting on hands, not really trading this, and we'll wait and see. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up later. Cheers for now.